of the transfer to put it back on. There you go. All right, 2 down, 1 to go. I'm gonna set that aside and let it dry while we work on this last stocking, and then we'll come back and we will add the stuffing to the Santa stop here. I'm gonna put all the chalk paste back in here. You don't want to waste it. Okay. I'm glad I remembered that. Thank you, Lisa. Okay. Lisa, are you doing anything fun for the 4th? You guys got anything going on? I have green fingertips. Set that aside. All right, last but not least. I don't want that. I really don't know what I want to put on this one. How about happy ho ho ho? It's little, but that's okay. It's got some super stick. All right. Now I'm going to use the forest. We can compare all these greens when we're finished here in just a second. Oh, that looks really good. Really good. It matches the green up here in the trim perfectly. That forest does. That's cute. I'm biased a little bit, right? Voila. 3 down. All right, so set that aside and I can clean that out in a second. I'm just gonna dry these just briefly, just to make sure that I don't I'm positive that that first one that we did with the ink is dry, just not the others. Okay. I think we're good. Yes, it would. It's funny that you say that because we just discussed last night that we are going to start doing a crafting with kids. So we're going to have one of the littles do a project. This would be a lot of fun. And I mean, you could find so many things that like these at the Target dollar spot or the Dollar Tree or Dollar General, all of the, you know, Walmart, Target, whatever. So I will message you. Let's just make it. Let's just do it. All right, so this is Forest. Right here, the Happy Ho Ho Ho. This is last month's color of the month, Scout. A little bit brighter green, but still cute. That's the one we're gonna make a stuffy. And then this one right here. This is just black ink and the shimmer gold. So I'll just set these back here. I still have to heat set that, so. Okay, so this is a big old bag of polyfill. Oh, you know what I need? I need to turn on my handy dandy glue gun. My mom's not here to tell me. Where do you think she is, Lisa? What do you think she's got going on that she's not hanging out with us today? I also don't think that I want that. I'm literally gonna stuff this with this polyfill and hot glue it, because I don't sew. Does anybody else sew? This might be too much. It's definitely probably too much. Okay. Stuff the polyfill in there. Get this little skewer. Help me shove it down there into the foot. Into the toe, I should say. Might be a little too much. I want it to be stuffed, but I don't want it to be that full, I don't think. Oh no. Look what I did. See that? Wasn't quite dry. Darn it. It's all right. You know what I might do is throw it in the wash. I'll show you what it would look like if I hadn't just messed it up. But you know what? It's part of it. It's what I get for being in a hurry. I'm gonna actually throw this in the washing machine and see if I can't get it to, since our paste is washable, I think it'll come right out. So I'm gonna learn something from this little oops today, and maybe I'll be able to teach you guys something too. So in my haste, I should have dried it a little bit better, but I didn't. So I can turn the glue gun off because I don't need that now. But this is what it would have looked like. I would have just run some hot glue along the top here and made a little stuffy. These are super cute in dough bowls, or you know, you could even hang them from your mantle and make a cute little garland if you had a variety, you know, several of them. But that would have been really cute had I not messed it up. So stay tuned and I'll let you know how this works out. I'm actually going to take the stuffing out and then we'll try again. I'll post a picture tomorrow or Friday. So here's my oops. Yes, they would. That's a brilliant idea. Very, very good idea. So I have a workshop on Sunday, and then the workshop after this is going to be, Sunday's workshop is oh my gosh. I'm literally drawing a blank. Anyway, what do you call these? Hold on. cutting board. It's a cutting board workshop. Wow. This is probably why I shouldn't have been on right now. Having a cutting board workshop on Sunday, and then in a few weeks is going to be the t-shirt workshop, and so I will get in contact with you soon, Lisa. That would be fun. Let our grandkids meet. So I'll show you one more time. Here's my oops. We're going to learn something from this, hopefully. Here's the ink project, and then last but not least, the happy ho ho ho. So I'll let you guys know how this one works out, and we'll go from there. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening and keep being awesome.